Tech jungle. The place for you in the jungle makes you struggle.
The iPhone 14 Pro Max has been hailed as the most exceptional iPhone ever released, surpassing its predecessors in terms of features and performance. Complementing this remarkable device, Apple has introduced a range of exciting features and utilities with the release of iOS 17. One of the notable additions is StandBy mode, which enhances the iPhone's functionality by transforming it into a smart display when placed in landscape orientation while charging. In this video, we will explore how to activate and customize StandBy mode for optimal usage. Activating StandBy mode on iPhone. In iOS 17 and subsequent versions, StandBy mode is automatically enabled on iPhones without the need for additional setup. However, there are still various settings and customization options available to enhance your experience. Begin by unlocking your iPhone and locating the Settings app on your home screen. It is represented by a gear icon and is typically found on the first page of your apps. Tap on the Settings app to launch it and access the various settings options for your iPhone. As the Settings app opens, you will notice a list of different sections. Scroll down through the sections until you find the one labeled StandBy. It is usually located towards the middle of the list. Once you have located the StandBy section, tap on it to enter the StandBy settings menu. In the StandBy settings menu, you will find a toggle switch labeled StandBy. By default, this feature is enabled, which means it is already turned on. If, for any reason, you wish to disable StandBy mode, simply tap on the toggle switch to turn it off. Directly below the StandBy toggle switch, you will see another toggle switch labeled Always On. When enabled, this option utilizes advanced machine learning algorithms to automatically turn off your iPhone's display when it's not in use. This can help conserve battery life while still providing a convenient StandBy experience. Adjust the toggle switch according to your preference. Further down in the StandBy settings menu, you will come across the Night Mode section. This feature allows you to activate a red-toned version of the interface when the ambient lighting conditions are low, such as during nighttime usage. Enabling night mode helps prevent excessive brightness, ensuring that StandBy mode doesn't disturb you when it's dark. Toggle the night mode switch on if you wish to activate this feature. Once you have customized the StandBy settings to your liking, you can exit the Settings app and proceed to place your iPhone on a compatible MagSafe charger. To activate StandBy mode, position your iPhone on the MagSafe charger in a landscape orientation. The charger will trigger the StandBy mode automatically, transforming your iPhone into a smart display-like device. Once your iPhone is in StandBy mode, you can interact with it by swiping vertically and horizontally. This allows you to navigate between different styles and widgets, making it easy to view essential information such as the time, date, weather, and more, all presented in large and easily readable fonts. StandBy mode also supports live activities and the built-in music player, providing an immersive experience on your device. You can enjoy dynamic content and listen to your favorite music while in StandBy mode. It's worth noting that iOS 17 intelligently remembers the layout you've set for each specific MagSafe charger. Therefore, if you have multiple MagSafe stands placed in different locations, such as around your house, iOS will automatically detect the charger you've connected and apply the appropriate layout and settings. This way, you can have different StandBy configurations for each MagSafe charger, ensuring a personalized experience throughout your home. In conclusion, StandBy mode in iOS 17 offers a range of exciting features and utilities to enhance your iPhone experience. By following the steps outlined above, you can easily access and customize StandBy mode settings on your iPhone. Once activated, StandBy mode transforms your iPhone into a smart display-like device when placed on a compatible MagSafe charger in landscape orientation. With its large fonts and intuitive swiping gestures, StandBy mode makes it effortless to view important information such as the time, date, weather, and more. It even supports live activities and the built-in music player, providing a captivating and immersive experience right on your device. Additionally, iOS 17's ability to remember the layout you've set for each MagSafe charger allows you to have different StandBy configurations based on your various charging stands. This ensures a personalized experience wherever you go. Keep in mind that the availability and specific features of iOS 17 and standby mode may vary. To stay up to date with the latest information and releases from Apple, it's always recommended to refer to official Apple sources or reliable news outlets. Embrace the convenience and functionality of standby mode on iOS 17, and enjoy an enhanced iPhone experience like never before. Remember to like and subscribe. Consider watch this videos in the outro. See you in the next one.